What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We are getting ready to go to the thrift store, getting ready to go to the post office. You can see right here we got 3 packages going off to eBay, 3 orders. We have a video game. This was Mario Kart Double Dash for the GameCube. Sold it for like 35 bucks, I think. These are some ornaments for Christmas trees. They're still selling, guys. Ornaments are still selling for some reason. It's December 31st. And then we have this box that I put it in, full of donations to Goodwill. You got to taxamize. You have to maximize your tax write-off. So I got a GPS down here that the rank, I guess, is really bad. Now I got it in a huge bulk lot. I'll actually show you guys. It is a Omnitech. Yeah, Omnitech GPS. The rank was really bad on Amazon. You could see I did have it shipped off to Amazon and had it shipped back to me, and looked over on eBay, not really selling so well, so I figured I would donate it. Bought this Bambi. It was only $1 at Goodwill. I thought it was going to be worth something on Amazon because I couldn't find it based off of its barcode right there, but I figured I'd be able to find it. Couldn't find it on Amazon. Looked it up on eBay. It's only worth about 9 bucks, so I figured I would just donate it. It's kind of big, but it would cost me about 3 bucks to ship, and I paid $1 for it. To sell it for 9, not really worth it in my opinion. I'd rather just donate it. Some kid can buy it. We have a Nerf gun right here. I actually sell the parts off of Nerf guns really well. So this came with a clip, a stock, a little laser sight. So I'm selling all of those parts separately online. We have a toy down there that got restricted on Amazon, so I just figured I would donate it, and some HP photo paper. Oh, and a Nikon strap. This was restricted now on Amazon. A lot of Nikon stuff is restricted now, so it was brand new at the time. Now it's going to Goodwill, so fine with me. Gonna drop this stuff off. Gonna go to the post office. We gotta hurry up. It is cold out here. It's New Year's Eve. I don't know what I'm doing tonight yet. No idea. I don't know if Goodwill's still open right now. I don't even know if the post office is still open right now. It's 3:30. We're gonna try. Hopefully they are all open, and I'll bring you guys inside Goodwill if I find anything. It'll be awesome. Here we go, pulling into the Goodwill, and it's very busy today actually, and I'm assuming a lot of people are gonna be dropping off donations today, which is good. That's actually really good. I want a lot of people to drop off donations today because I will be here to get them and collect them and buy them and sell them. And look, this person in front of us. Ooh, hopefully they got some good stuff. The cart is looking pretty full. We got a nice little stack of video games right here, $2 a pop. We got some of these are not on Amazon, these games, but used they sell on eBay for 20 bucks, and I haven't seen any new ones. They're $4 each. There's a deer hunter and a bow hunting game, so I'm gonna, shoot for the moon here. I don't know, like 40 bucks or something, and I could keep lowering it, but still, for $4 each, not bad. We got a Guitar Hero guitar for $6. Seems to be in great condition. Xbox 360. These are the only ones I pick up. I never pick up PlayStation or Wii ones. We have a Canoe game, $4, sells for 20. A Snuggie, and this Blue Parrot. I don't know, it's brand new, but it's $4, selling for about 70 on Amazon. So I'm gonna do a little more research on this, check eBay, make sure that's what's actually going for and it's not just inflated. It looks like it's kind of old because that mouthpiece there, right there, looks a little like it's decaying. I can't tell, but I'm just looking around in here, and yeah, hopefully I find some more stuff. I pretty much took my full lap in here, but we're still gonna look around, of course, and hope that we see more. What do we have right here? It's kind of look like Dolphins colors. Not really. All right, let's keep looking. I'm curious, how many of you guys come to the book section and actually scan every book? Seems like it'd be a lot of work. This one is actually missing a lot of books, as you can tell. This is pretty empty. They just brought out a bunch of new bins of books that I was thinking about scanning because nobody has scanned them yet. So I might do that. But besides that, I really don't like to spend my time sitting here scanning. It can take a long time just to go through this one row unless you bring a little Bluetooth scanner. I have one at my house, but I misplaced it, so I haven't used it in such a long time. So I'm stuck using my trusty phone with the Amazon Seller app, which we have pulled up right here. Here's a good game right here that I scanned, NCAA Football 13. He's going for 37, so not too bad. 14 is going for way more than that, but I think it's just jacked up because of the holidays. Just after Christmas, prices go up like crazy. I'm very interested in this. This is a Remo practice drum pad right here. I found the pad by itself, or so I think I did. Going for about 30 bucks just for the pad, not the stand. But there's a bunch of different listings here. We got one for 53 with a stand, $21. That might be the right one. That's 8 inches. I can't tell if that's 8 or 10. There's 10 inches. There's an 8-inch with stand going for 75. There's a silent one, 10-inch with stand. I honestly have no idea. I think I'm gonna leave it just because, I mean, there's no model number. I looked everywhere on this. If anybody knows where to find the model number on this, that would be super helpful. But, oh, it could be underneath there where it's bolted together possibly. I'm gonna leave it. It's 8 bucks, which isn't bad. I bet I could sell it locally for 15, 20, but it's not worth it to make $8, $9. Maybe it is, I don't know. I love this thing. I want this for the front of my house. I'll be the local bar. So I did pretty good in there. You guys saw everything I got. I actually went to the glass case right before I left and picked up Assassin's Creed Odyssey for the PlayStation 4 for 15 bucks. It's on sale on Amazon right now, so the price is a little low. I'd only make about 6 bucks after fees on it. It will sell almost immediately, which is nice, but I actually think I'll make a little more money over on eBay with it, so that's not bad. I might play it for a little bit first, so that's cool. I also got a TI-84 Plus graphing calculator for $20. Now, it's untested. I have 2 days to return it if it doesn't work, which is nice with electronics. Hopefully it works. I couldn't get to turn on in there, and the battery compartment looked a little rusty. It was not great, not horrible, but not in the best of shape. So we'll hope that that works. Now, guys, it's all about timing inside of this Goodwill. It's in any Goodwill, in any thrift store. So I've had so many people say, how do you find these great things? How are you finding so much? When do you go? What are the best times? Now, I try to pick the best times, but it's all about who else is showing up, right? So you guys have known I've been trying to get a full set of Harry Potter hardcover books. I'm missing like 2 or 3, right? And I have so many of one copy and none of one, so I can't build these complete box sets to sell online. So I'm always checking every thrift store I go to. Lo and behold, over here at the book section I showed you guys earlier when I was looking at those empty shelves, somebody else had already cleaned up and I didn't know. They must have been here maybe 20, 30 minutes before me, maybe an hour, I don't know, maybe even 5 minutes, I have no idea. But there were 2 carts behind me in line. They had 2 complete sets of the hardcover Harry Potter books at about $2 a pop. So literally 2 complete sets stacked up next to each other. It's like, man, I've just been looking for maybe 2 out of the 8 books or however many books there are, and this person had 2 complete sets inside of this Goodwill, plus a bunch of other books. So it's all about timing. I will find them. It's just gonna take me longer now, so I have all these books sitting in my house that I need to get rid of. So yeah, I did get some good things. I am happy for what I got. Those Radica electronic handheld games, no idea if they're gonna sell. I hope they do. Picked them up $4 a piece. It was a risk worth taking. Brand new sealed. I love picking up almost anything brand new sealed. I'll take a pretty decent shot at it. They're selling used, so I'd imagine they would sell new. Not sure if they'll actually sell for more than I'd like, but we'll find out. So I think that about does it. I don't know if I'm gonna be hitting up any other places. I don't really have anywhere else to hit up. I still have to go to the post office. It's 4:26. They close in just over a half hour. Want to drop these things off. I also sold a vintage Westinghouse, I think it's Westinghouse fan. Now I've had this thing listed for $100. I think I started at $130, then I went down to $100, then I went down to $75. Then it was just on sale in my store for 61 bucks. Well, I took a best offer of $55 on this thing. It's gonna cost me about 18 to 20 bucks to ship it, and I spent about 20 bucks on it. But the thing is bulky. It's been sitting in my house for so long, over a year. I learned about it through the Craigslist Hunter because he was selling these things, and I found one at a flea market, and I figured, hey, you know what? I'll take the chance. If it sells for 100 bucks, I just made some good money. Yeah, not so much. Not anymore anyways. I don't know. I don't know. And that's a question for you guys. Do you think us sitting here talking about what sells, do you think they become more sought after by resellers and stores start to jack up their prices? I get a lot of those comments. People telling me, hey, you're jacking up these prices because you're talking about it on your channel. And I don't know exactly what point we're at in the video, probably 10-ish minutes right now. And I would imagine for a Goodwill to know about these Westinghouse fans that I just talked about, they're not gonna sit here for 10 minutes to learn to jack up the price on one random video, you know? It just doesn't make sense to me. It's possible, but I have no idea. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. I try to answer them all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.